Welcome to Fumba Town. This is Zanzibar and East Africa's first concept city. As you can see, full of lush green, and that's because of the permaculture element that is embedded within the town. Fumba Town has a variety of options, from apartments to townhouses to timber constructed villas and timber constructed apartments as well. From Cheichei to Vizazi, we've got something for everyone in this beautiful new concept city. So we're now at the Cheichei site, and a lot of people are wondering what makes this product different from all the other products out there. What makes Cheichei different is that it's affordable. Only starting from around 40,000 US dollars, you can get yourself a lovely investment here with us. And this allows a lot of people to enter to the real estate market, starting and building on their portfolio, especially if they're looking into getting into the investment aspect of real estate. Cheichei draws its inspiration from the island, of course incorporating the timber construction as well as the dukas, bazaars and shops, really giving that Zanzibari feel onto the entire product. With the first Cheichei building, the superstructure works have already been completed. And excitingly as well, we have two other buildings that have just started the superstructure works, meaning that they are now starting to erect the walls. So this is fantastic, this is great, and we will share more of the updates on the other buildings underway. And now the first building is actually set to be completed by the first quarter of 2025, and the next two set of buildings are expected to be done by the third quarter of 2025. Isn't that marvelous? Exciting news. Actually, on the first floor, interestingly enough, the ground floor houses all of the dukas, or shops as we pronounce it in English. And as you can see, the dukas are all facing the road. This will allow for all the people that are outside who want to come into the development to purchase the various products or services that will be housed along the Cheichei development. So that's another great investment opportunity for those who have invested in dukas or shops, allowing for majority of the outside public, not necessarily only the residents of Fumba Town, but also the general public, to access the products and services. And apart from the shops, we also have a lot of bazaar and residential spaces within the Cheichei development. This is going to be fantastic for people to come together, to relax, to have a talk, to have a chat, to meet your neighbor, and also meet other residents that are around the development. Some people might already know the teams behind the Cheichei development, but I would also like to highlight that we have OMT architects who are the lead designers, of course, for the lovely Cheichei. And we also have Vox House, who are implementing all the CLT and bringing this dream and this architecture to life. And last but not least, of course, CPS Live, the team behind all of this, ensuring that we bring your investment to life. Why build with timber? A lot of people ask that. Some people are worried about timber, but let me tell you that timber is actually one of the, if not the oldest construction methods or construction material that's ever existed and used by man to date. Now, using timber, of course, means one beautiful thing. We are protecting the earth. Timber, including CLT, GLT, all of those types of timbers always store carbon. Unlike concrete and steel, which takes a lot of carbon emissions when it's being produced and used while constructing, lovely timber does not do so. This is a carbon storage. We are actually saving the world, one building at a time. So the timber that we use is sourced from South Africa. The CLT is then brought all the way to Zanzibar. It is then assembled by the lovely Vox House team. At the moment, unfortunately, there is no furniture package for Cheichei, but if anything changes, we will let you know immediately what those offerings are. For those that are asking, can someone really get residency after purchasing Cheichei? Unfortunately, not when most of the units are slightly under 100,000. So for anyone to achieve residency, the government is expecting an investment of $100,000 and above. And just to ensure transparency, the investment that you make, the one or single unit that you purchase, has to be over $100,000 and above for you to achieve residency. Now, some other exciting news. With all materials on site, Cheicheis can actually be constructed within 9 months. That is very speedy construction, if you ask me. And with that being said, for those that are looking to purchase with us, of course, you can reach out to us via sales@fumba.town or WhatsApp us via 0623 989 900, which is 0623 989 900.